So you're looking for a new construction and your budget is between $379,000 up to $524,000. Well, stay tuned because today I'm going to take you to Braselton, Georgia. Braselton is a beautiful suburb of Atlanta on I-85, so easy access to I-85. In today's video, we're going to take you to Fischer Homes. We're going to show you this beautiful master plan community, and the prices are amazing, from $379,000 up to $524,000. In Crossvine Estates by Fischer Homes, you're going to find 2 to 6 bedrooms, 1,200 square feet up to 3,000 square feet homes, open concept kitchen, bonus spaces, 7 floor plans available in this beautiful master plan community built by Fischer Homes. Now, this gorgeous community also has a swimming pool, a cabana, walking trails, a playground, and parks. Beautiful master plan community built by Fischer Homes. In today's video, we're going to drive to the entire community. We're going to show you this beautiful neighborhood. We're going to show you the amenities. We're also going to show you the model home, which is the Jensen floor plan from Fischer Homes. Award-winning floor plan from Fischer Home. Gorgeous inside, a beautiful kitchen, very big island. You can imagine it has gorgeous bonus room on the main floor. It has also a very big bonus room, so almost like a media room upstairs, where you can put easily 2 big couches, a big TV, and spend some quality time with your family. So that's exactly what we're going to be covering in this video today, and we are getting after it right now. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to understand everything about living in Atlanta, Georgia, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in Atlanta, Georgia. My name is Livia Bica with Keller Williams, North Atlanta. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making their move to Suwanee, Alpharetta, Johns Creek, Sugar Hill, Braselton, Flowery Branch, or the surrounding areas. And we absolutely love it. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. All the information is in the description below so we can help you for a smooth move to North Atlanta and the beautiful suburbs. So as I mentioned, today we're going to take you to Braselton, Georgia, in a brand new master plan community built by Fischer Homes. This neighborhood is called Crossvine Estates by Fischer Homes, built in 2024. Gorgeous, beautiful, new construction homes from 1,200 square feet up to 3,000 square feet, 2 to 6 bedrooms. And the prices are amazing, from $379,000 up to $524,000. Right now they have 6 ready to move in homes. So if you're interested, make sure you watch this video until the end. Make sure you subscribe and like, and make sure you call us so we can bring you here to Fischer Homes and show you everything that they have available in this gorgeous community. Now let's go after it right now.
say it when I am feeling only you wanted to say. Please, will you stay? Will you be my only you? You're my escape. It's never too late just to say you're sorry. Love, I've been inside, so open your eyes. So please don't worry. Feeling love, feeling love, feeling love, feeling love, feeling love, feeling love.
Now, Braselton is in Jackson County, and according to niche.com, Braselton is #1 best suburb to live in Jackson County, here in the north part of Atlanta. Amazing city of Braselton. They are building a lot, actually, and a lot of new master plan communities, Fischer Homes, and then other small builders that are here. They are building a lot because they have a lot of land available. So if you are interested in a new construction, make sure you contact me today so I can bring you here and show you everything that's available for you and your family. Now, Crossvine Estates by Fischer Homes has 7 floor plans available for you and your family. Number 1, the Preston, which is 2 to 3 bedroom, 2 to 3 bathrooms, 1,621 square feet, starting at $399,000. Number 2, the Wesley, which is a 3 to 4 bedroom, 2.5 to 3.5 bedroom, 1,842 square feet, starting at $406,000. Number 3, the Greenbrier, which is 3 to 4 bedroom, 2 to 2.5 bedroom, 1,983 square feet, starting at $412,000. Number 4, Yosemite, which is a 3 to 4 bedroom, 2.5 bedroom, 2,258 square feet, starting at $418,000. Number 5, Fairfax, which is 4 bedroom, 2.5 bedroom, 2,350 square feet, starting at $431,000. Number 6, the Jensen, which is 4 to 6 bedroom, 2.5 to 3.5 bedroom, 2,794 square feet, starting at $447,000. Number 7, Breckenridge, 4 to 6 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 bedrooms, 3,150 square feet, starting at $450,000. So as you see, amazing prices for Fischer Homes here in Braselton, Georgia. Now, from Crossvine Estates by Fischer Homes, to get to Atlanta International Airport, for those of you that have to travel for work, it's going to be a 60-mile drive, which is usually a 57 minutes drive on I-85 South. Now, from Crossvine Estates to go to Atlanta, downtown Atlanta, it will take you 50-mile drive, so a 45 to 48 minutes drive if there is no traffic on I-85. Now, from this location to go to Margaritaville at Lake Lanier Islands, which is a beautiful water park during the summer months, they're gonna have water slides, they're gonna have sand, they're gonna have a wave pool, they're gonna have rides. Such an amazing water park here on Lake Sidney Lanier, Margaritaville at Lake Lanier Islands. So from this location, 19 miles, so like a 30 minutes drive from Crossvine Estates. For those of you that have kids and you want to take the kids to Margaritaville at Lake Lanier Islands, this is an amazing location, 30 minutes, and you are at Margaritaville at Lake Lanier Islands. Keep in mind, the Margaritaville Park during the summer is a water park, and during the winter is actually a winter park. Instead of water slides, they're gonna have a snow slides, they're gonna have carnival rides, they're gonna have so much going on in the winter and summer as well. Now, also from this location, 11 minutes to Chateau Elan Golf Club, which is actually Chateau Elan is a golf club and is a big winery here in north part of Atlanta. Chateau Elan Resort and Winery. So you are actually 11 minutes driving to the golf club or the winery. Now, we hope this video was helpful for those of you that are looking for a new construction. Keep in mind, Fischer Homes here in Braselton, Georgia, in Crossvine Estates, has a lot of homes coming on the market this year and a lot of ready-to-move-in homes as well. Now, comment below and let me know, are you looking for a 4-bedroom or a 6-bedroom home, and what's your budget? This is Livia Bica with Keller Williams, North Atlanta. Until next time, I hope to see you around town.